Hi guys, it's me, IronBuilder45 again, and I just want to inform you that I was hearing some really weird noises out here, so I just want to make a video about it, and look how dark it is. Look at that. Also, like, there's a lot of clouds over us for some reason. And you know that clown thing, whatever it was? It's not around my house anymore. I don't know what happened to it. It's like, I wasn't hearing any knocks, break-ins, or nothing. So whatever it was, maybe it wandered off or something. I don't know. But I want to give a good sponsor. I really want to sponsor ramen. Ramen has very good noodle soup, and it's so good. Like when you eat it, it just this gives you that energy. But remember, have to drink water because you'll get dehydrated real easily when you eat this. It's chicken flavor, and they have all sorts of flavors. So remember, drop a like if you really like to eat ramen. So I really want to sponsor them out. Now anyways, I was hearing this weird like weird noise happening. I'm not sure, but look how pitch black the sky is. We're just surrounded by dark clouds right now. But anyways, I can't hold it anymore. I really gotta use the bathroom. So I'm just gonna set you guys right there. Alright? Tell me if you hear anything. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Hello? What the heck, bad guys? Did you just hear that? Hey. What was that? That was so weird. Let me close the door. What the heck? But the clown thing, I haven't seen it in like days now, so probably it's gone. That was so weird. I'm gonna go eat some ramen for a little bit. Thank you for the sponsor. And I'm gonna go back out and see what that noise was in a bit. So I'll see you guys later on. Good ramen food. Super good, and I'm also watching some random videos.
Claude gets out of the left door and instantly teleports to the ground. Tommy also
I will eat this real quick.
CJ exits from the left door and chooses.
I'll eat this real quick.
Exits through the left door
In a
hovers in the
second.
air for a few seconds to close the door.
Oh man, that was so good. I'm so full. But anyways, let's go back. So that really filled me up. That ramen, it just really filled me up. I do not know why. And man, the light is bright. So we're gonna go through here. Gosh, it's like I'm dripping sweat. It's so hot out here still. Gonna go take a walk again. It's 11:34. Okay. Oh, ooh. But before we go further, guys, click that subscribe button so that I'll be safe, and I will figure out who this person, who's making those now sounds. So click that subscribe button. Thank you. Gosh, I thought there was someone in the bush. Oh. Remember that clown thing? I saw like right here before. It's not even here. Maybe it left. I think it left. And yeah, I think I'm good. Normally, I saw him the other night. I saw him in this bush. This is where he normally is, but look at that. Look, listen. Nothing. No sound. No sound. But it's good news. It's good news. But there's no. I don't think I'm in danger. So yeah. I do not know if you guys hear that, but I hear music. You hear that? I do not know if you guys can hear it, but trust me, I can hear it. What the? Please tell me you heard that sound. Skaters at night. That's what you see. Also in California as well. Skaters. I was wondering where that music was coming from. But I wonder what that sound was. That was really weird. Gentle right turn. I'm wondering what the sound was coming from. I'm not exactly sure, but what's in that bush? Nothing. This is where he normally sits. I see him like pop out of this bush, but no, I think he's gone. Whew. I do not know what to do here. Oh, it's so weird. Hey! What the heck was that noise? See that in the sky? That's an aircraft. See that? That's an aircraft. Alright, coming back. I do not know what that sound was. Really awkward. There's my scooter. Check what's up front. Hey, tell me that you heard that noise, right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, sunflowers.
Also, it was loud, right? Dude, it was loud in my ears.
What's that behind you?
What? What? What was that? What the? Hey! I swear there's something in that bush. Whew! Look at the grass, it's so brown because it's like...
Yeah, and my corn was growing, but now it's all dying. No water.
But I did feel a few
Could've got
raindrops.
some rain.
I did feel a few raindrops. Oh.
I'm going deep and gaining.
I'm gonna keep finding what that sound is. But that clown thing is gone, whatever it was.
It'll be back.
I sure, bro. I haven't seen him like in days now. Like, never knocked on the door. Opened the door a few times. Like, it's not even there anymore. But I'm gonna keep exploring around. So you can see it's super pitch black. And these tree and there's giant branches are really creepy. Whew. So creepy. I gotta go use the bathroom again because I drank a lot of water. I'll just use the bathroom in those bushes right over there. Not gonna go in the house. I'll be right back. Oh, who's back there? Hey. Hey. Hello? Maybe it's an SCP. There's nobody even here. Very empty and quiet. Very empty and quiet. What the heck? But I mean, like, look at those plants. Look at those plants. I heard something again. Oh man, dude. Dude, it looks like they're dying, doesn't it? Hey, hey, where are you? I know you're here somewhere. Where is that noise coming from? Looks like I can't see him. Hey. Where is that noise coming from? Alright guys, so I think that's the end of the video. So actually I just wanted to see what you guys think. Where the noise was coming from. It's been like 5 minutes and now that noise is so quiet. What? 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 There's something in that shed. What? What is that noise coming from? Oh, okay, yep. Yeah, there's something in that shed right there. Alright, yeah, that's today's end of the video. Who's making those sounds? What was that whistling sound? What? I'll see you guys tomorrow later on. I'll try to capture this in the daytime, alright? So, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.